Hi, I'm attorney Renee Osipov with Chelle Law, and we assist veterinarians with employment contract issues. Today, we're discussing the pros and cons of a veterinarian working in more of a corporate clinic setting. So, working for a corporation, there are a lot of pros, kind of starting with the benefits that are typically offered. So, health insurance, retirement, disability, life insurance, sometimes travel, cell phones. The list just kind of goes on from there. So, there's definitely more benefits that are going to be offered to you in a more corporate clinic. Also, the facilities typically are more standardized. So if there's more than one location that you're going to be providing services at, normally they're pretty standard between the locations. And then also support staff. Normally you're fully staffed with the people that you need and the equipment within the facilities. So this is great. So you've got benefits, the facilities are great, your support staff is. Sometimes the pay can be more in a corporate setting. I would say more often than not, you are typically compensated more. Those are just kind of the pros, depending on what you're looking for. So if you're looking for benefits, you're looking for things that are more standardized, policies, also with admin, then that's definitely considered a pro for a corporate clinic. Some cons that you want to kind of think about. So you're normally not able to negotiate quite as much in an employment contract. So when you're initially starting your employment with them, it's typically offered the same sort of agreement for all of the other veterinarians that are like similarly situated. Also, you want to think about your compensation. That is one thing that you can sometimes negotiate in a corporate clinic. Some other cons, and probably the biggest one, well, I would say there's probably two. So one, there's normally a lot of expectations for how many clients you're going to be seeing and their animals, per day. There's quotas, there's maximums, there's minimums of expectations that you have to meet. And if you're not meeting those, there are consequences to those. So that's something that you want to kind of consider if that's something that you feel up to. I would say another con is normally the non-compete clauses. They are fairly extensive. So there's going to probably be multiple locations, large miles from each location that you're going to be restricted, and then normally for an extended period of time. So that's definitely, I would say, probably the biggest con of a corporate clinic is those non-compete clauses, because those can really come back to bite you. Going back to the pros, I would say another pro would probably be just marketing and advertisement. So they're marketing and advertising on your behalf. They're bringing in tons of clients and their pets. So there's really no worry that you're going to have that client base there. It's easy to build up because you have, them supporting you in this sort of setting. If you have any more questions or you'd like to discuss these sort of situations, you can schedule a consultation with us. Our website is Chelle Law, CHELLE law.com, and all of our contact information is on there. We also have more videos if you're interested in more veterinary employment contract content. Thanks.